Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Right now we're going to look about how to use the Gmail. The Gmail, we can get it from the Google Apps here. It's this one here. Yes. As you can see, it's loading from the Google Workspace. This is a general view of the Gmail. This is how it looks like. And again, for you to be able to use the Gmail, you need to have a Google account. From the Google account as well, where you'll be able to create your Gmail account. And this is the general view of the Gmail account. These are my inbox. See, there's a primary inbox. It's for the general primary things. Then the promotional one. This is where you get the subscribe thing. The socials, mainly from the social medias. Then when you come this side, state messages. This newest one, the sent messages. These are the messages you send. The draft ones. These are the messages which have not gone. And there's some important things, the charts, the schedules, at what time you plan to send some mail, and all the mail, the spam mails, is a mail that might have lasted there. And there's some categories also here. I'm mainly going to talk about how to compose a mail right now. You want to compose a mail is like you want to send mail to somebody else. First thing you have to do, you have to go to the compose and you tap. From there, it brings you this whereby to the person you can send to the recipient. And the most important thing also here is the subject matter. When you're sending mail, you have to put the subject matter, so like to draw the attention of the recipients and ignoring your mail. Here you can increase the size. You can see here it's a bit enlarged. And we have formats, the font size, the alignment, ways of how to send your email, the way you want to put them. You can edit them from here. There's some important feature with the mail. And also when you want to reduce the size, you go there. It brings in the full screen exit, and you tap there. Comes back to the normal size again. But we're going back there, we need to put it in the bigger size that everybody can see. Just going back. From there it's a bigger size now, everybody can see it clearly here. Subject matter, what to the recipient. This is how it will look like. And if you want to put attachments, this is where you come to select from there, add the recipient, not the first one. The second one you can add it. That's all about it. When you want to cut it off, you come here, you remove it off. It's after sending your mail. From here, another feature again, like when you want to put this aside and you create larger space for the Gmails, as well you want to click from the main menu. It reduces the size and it brings that. And as well in the Gmail, we have the calendar. It's where you can schedule your emails at what time you want to set a specific dates, all that, and you have contacts. All these are parts of the mail, task, activities, and you can get notified about them easily. These are some features of the mail also. And you can also get add-ons on the mail as well. So these are more apps that can work with the Gmail together. There's artificial intelligence email writer, artificial intelligence for Google Calendars. Yeah, this one all can work together with the Gmail. It helps you to do some works easily. Yeah, thank you for now. So continue more on emails later on. You can put your suggestions in the comment section. Thanks.